Yeah,
your
this,
screen is visible.
yeah, this is the one starting
A
what
little,
he, yeah,
scroll little
it's
down. Scroll little down.
okay. Now,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that is the pattern questions. Huh?
yes, yes.
So, have you understand the concept?
Yeah, yeah, I have understand. Actually, step by step, I did initially.
Okay, okay.
So there is one, two, three, four, five steps. So five
Yeah,
iterations is there.
yeah, yeah.
So for five iterations, we have to take 1 to 6. So 6 excluded, though 1 to 5 it will take. I mean, these are the steps, right? First line is the rows, number of rows.
Hmm.
Yeah, in second step, it will give the columns. So it will give 5 rows and it will give 5 columns like that.
Yes.
Okay, so we won't print the rows actually. It's just for steps. We don't print. If we print I,
Hmm.
then it will be like
That.
this.
Yes, yes, yes.
So we should not print I.
Just
So
this. This is just for one gap.
yeah, otherwise actually this is the right place for this.
Yes, yes, yes. This is the right place.
Yeah. So it will be if we print I, it will be like this.
Hmm.
So we are not printing the I. So we are only printing the columns.
Yes.
So J, then in J, what we are
J,
doing,
J, J,
J
J is
also,
here. Yeah. This
yeah,
is the
J,
range from one to that I number.
yeah, I plus 1.
Yes.
So maximum I is 5 only, right? There is only
Yes.
5 steps. So we
Yes.
have to add one more one. So then it will also give 5 steps. Otherwise, it will
Yes.
give 4 steps only.
Okay. Just change the number from 6 to 8. Then it will show up to 8 number, right?
Yes, yes, 8. It will give, yeah, 7 steps it will give.
Yeah. Correct. Okay. I think this is the simple one, right?
Yeah, this is the simple one. I have to start with this.
Yeah. They also started from here. They.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why I
Hmm.
put it in different file for practice file.
Yes.
I put it
Yes. Yes.
those all things.
Now he
Uh,
just gave to reverse those numbers.
yes, this is a little tricky. Same thing, but it
Hmm.
will. First one is it will print 1 to 5, but this should print 5 to 1 reverse.
5 to 1. Yeah.
So we never tried this actually.
Mm-hmm.
So first we have to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For that we have the step is -1 here.
Yeah. That is reducing the number from 5 to
Yeah,
1.
yes, so that it will reduce the number. So
Hmm.
5 to 0. If we take 5 to 0, it will print 5 to 1.
Hmm.
Okay. So and this is the -1 is the step. So it will give if we print I. Sorry.
One.
Oh shit. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Descending order base.
Yes. Oh shit. I will copy it. So in between we have to put J. So J in range same thing. In the place of I you have in the place of I you have to put I.
This J is doing just what first number this J will get from that number to up to the end. This will print in a row.
Yes.
Like 5, this is getting 5, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. then 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, then 1.
Yes. So if I is 1, it will give 1.
Yes.
1 to 0.
Hmm.
Yeah, initially it will start with 5, right?
5, yes.
So
What
5 for.
number what I will give, and J will start from that number
Yes.
and reducing by one step. So that's
Yes. So finally it will give the this output.
hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Now,
the trick will
now
start
this,
here.
yeah, it will start here because we have to first find out the space, then print the
Yeah.
number.
Yeah, this in these steps, the space is there. For
Hmm.
those space, we have to keep one more variable. So one more step, that is
Hmm.
k. So
Okay.
I did for first this one. So if
Hmm.
we print k, this will give the pattern. But we won't
Hmm.
print this pattern. We will keep k like space.
Hmm.
In place of k, we will print the space.
Three space, yes.
Yes.
And
Then
the separated
we,
by space.
yeah, as usually, j will,
And
j
code
is,
is same. Code is same.
yeah, j code is same. So that the space, the k space will fill with empty.
Yeah.
So the
If we
pattern,
will, yeah, if
yeah,
we
if
will
we
put
will
star,
print,
yeah, star, just to make it
okay,
star. Now
okay.
print, make it star. See, this
This
is the
is,
difference.
yeah, this is
Actually,
k, yeah.
this is printing 5 by 5. Okay,
Mm, yeah,
but in place of space, we are getting star.
yes.
If we want
So,
to hide, then we have to remove and put it space.
yeah. So
Now
it will hide.
that will,
So the
yes,
pattern can come.
yes.
Yeah. So then this one.
Yeah,
Again, it's the same thing, but it's reverse.
yeah,
The print will reversely it will print. Not 1 to 5, it's will print 5 to 1.
yes.
So again, we will print the K with space.
Space.
We'll put star for. So again, it will give like this. If
Hmm.
we print star, so we are not printing anything.
So
It
this
will
will
give
remove the star.
space. Yes.
Yes, correct.
Okay, same thing. Now, Pascal
First one.
triangle. Yeah.
Uh,
So here nothing but we are printing 11 into 0, 11 into 1, 11 into 2, 11 in, sorry, 11 square, right? Yeah.
hmm. 11 square 0.
Yeah. So this we have to print. So 11,
So
uh,
what is the logic of 11?
what is that? Yeah, this one
Logic
only,
of
right?
11. No. Why we are using 11?
Because we need this pattern, right? So there
Okay,
is the
what
values.
if we will use 22, then what will happen
The
if we will use
actually 11 give the palindrome pattern. No other will give that pattern, I think.
but
Right?
question is good, right?
Yeah. Because of that palindrome pattern, we are using this. See, 22 won't give
That is correct.
that pattern.
Actually, 11 square of 11s will give you the result in a palindrome pattern,
Yes.
right?
Yes. No other
Actually,
number will give this
I
pattern.
had I had that doubt, and now it's self cleared.
Okay.
Yeah,
So no other number will give this pattern except 11.
yeah, except 11. That is the main logic.
Yes, that is a logic.
That is the logic. Correct.
uh, and this one. So, and one more logic we have used here is this one also the very important logic.
Hmm.
So we are converting the answer in the string format, actually final answer in the string, not in the numeric value.
Hmm.
So for that we have used this one.
Hmm.
So we converted that answer into string, then it will divided
Make a
into
list.
the list, each number,
Then it's fine.
then yeah, joined with those numbers by space.
Hmm.
But finally it is a string only. The
Yes.
output print will be in string. These are not numericals. Every step is
Hmm.
string only.
Yes.
Uh,
Hmm.
so So here we are not printing J. In place of J, will give the space
Hmm.
here. Oh, okay, fine. So for this space, we are putting this J here.
Yeah.
So it will give this pyramid pattern.
Hmm.
If we won't give the J,
Then
it
it should
will
come like this.
it will give like this.
Yeah.
So for that pyramid pattern,
Previous question we were using K instead of J.
yeah, Keynes. This is yeah. Here
Yes.
J also doing the same thing.
Same thing. Same thing.
Yeah, same
But in
thing.
previous question we were using just K,
Yeah, yes,
and
sir.
J we are using for the another pattern.
Yes, only the name is difference.
Yes. Yes.
The
Correct.
work is same.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
can use K also here.
Yeah.
So 5.
Yeah.
So this is in first step it will print 11
Sorry. One. Then
whole to the power of 0. Here
yeah.
11 power 1.
Two.
Uh,
One.
Here 11 power 2, I mean
Two.
11 square. Here 11 power 3. Here 11 power 4
Hmm.
in last step. So this is one string, this is 11 is the one string, 120 is a one string.
Hmm.
These are four strings, five strings. 1, 11, 121, 1331, next 14,641. We are putting those all string values in the pyramid format. We are printing.
Yes. So this question has been solved.
Yeah, so these are the main steps. This is 11 power 0, 11 power 1, 11 power 2, 11 power 3, and 11 power 4. So these are the steps we will get finally, but these steps we have to convert in the string like this.
Yes.
So this is
So
the,
now
and
next.
this is finally
Hmm.
this is simple one again.
Yeah. This is the last.
Yeah. So this is 1 to 8 means we have to take 1 to 9 here.
Hmm.
So 1 hour, n is 8, right? So
Yeah.
1 comma n plus 1. I mean 8 plus 1. So it will
Hmm.
give, so 1 to 9. Then I will put, initially I am using it in between, but so j in range I comma I plus 1. So we will multiply I into j, then we have to print.
Yes.
That's it. Multiplication of j and I.
Yeah.
Yes, that is it. I think so.
Yes. 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 This is correct.
So finally, we have solved all those questions.
Yeah. Okay. So all question has been done, right?
Yes, sir.